Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Jason coming at you one more again. Got a new video. Check out my shirts, Race Till I Die, linking down below. But new video topic is I'm gonna show you how to clean tires the way I've been cleaning, well, my slicks. Using this for a year now, and it's just an easy, neat, clean way to clean your slicks. And believe it or not, you don't even have to take your tires off the car. So let's get into it. So you're coming off the track, you got, dirty slick. So what I want you to do is get some paper towels or microfiber cloth, like that there. Link in the description down below. And get you some SuperGlue. This is my SuperGlue bottle. I've decals and stuff like that. I hate old decals to go to waste, so I sticker up my SuperGlue bottle. All right. Next, what you want to do to your slick is, you got your vent holes, and stuff like that inside. Sometimes you'll punch a hole in the tire. So I kind of like, with it being on the car, that's another reason that I put my vent holes on the inside of the tire, facing the car, and also on the wheel. But anyway, if you ain't got the tire on the car, what I do is I just spray mine with SuperGlue like this here. Kind of rotate it around. Get it coated like that. And I take a microfiber cloth or a paper towel. And I just wipe clean. And it's clean. And like I said, you can leave that on the car and do this technique on the car. And all the dirt came off on the paper towel. All right, by doing it this way, it's neat, it's clean, it keeps your pit area clean. But also, what I found, and it works, is you clean your tires in a tire bucket, all that sauce and cleaner gets down that bucket with the dirt and the little silt and whatnot. Well, you get that inside your foam, and you get your foam wet, and your foam has heavy spots in it, and then also it will cause your foam to deteriorate, which makes the tire inconsistent. So in 10 scale indoor racing, tires is like 60 to 70% of your car setup. So of a course of a race, or going into a corner, or jumps of a course of a race, that is huge. So that's the reason that I started doing it this way, and it's worked. If you like the video, like, subscribe, comment down below. Check out some of my links. I may have a link down there for a discount on something that'll help you out. But if you see me at the track, come up to me, say what's up. Just like everybody else, trying to bridge the gap, baby. Just trying to bridge the gap, But anyway, see y'all soon. Y'all take it easy.